Types of SEO explained, how to use them for better rankings. Have you ever wondered how some websites always show up first on Google while others are buried on page 3, or worse, never seen at all? That magic? It's not luck. It's called SEO, search engine optimization. And if you're in digital marketing, run a business, or just want to grow a blog or YouTube channel, understanding the different types of SEO is essential. In today's video, we're breaking it all down: the different types of SEO, what makes each one important, and how you can use them to your advantage, even if you're starting from scratch. What is SEO and why it matters? SEO stands for search engine optimization, and at its core, it's all about making your content more discoverable by search engines like Google. Your goal with SEO? Make sure your content is in those top results. Why does it matter? Simple: better rankings mean more visibility, more clicks, and potentially, more sales, subscribers, or clients. But here's the kicker: SEO isn't just one thing. It's a mix of strategies, each with its own focus. So let's unpack them. On-page SEO. First up, on-page SEO, probably the one most people are familiar with. On-page SEO is everything you can control on your website. It's about optimizing content so search engines and people can understand it better. Here's what it includes. Keywords. Are you using the words people are actually searching for? Headings. Are your H1s, H2s, and H3s helping structure your content? Meta descriptions. That little snippet under your page title on Google? It matters. Internal links. Linking to other pages on your site helps both users and Google navigate your content. User experience. Is your content clear, easy to read, mobile-friendly? For example, let's say you run a blog about healthy recipes. A post titled 10 Easy Smoothie Recipes should include keywords like healthy smoothie, quick breakfast, or easy smoothie ideas. And instead of a generic meta description, you write, discover 10 delicious and healthy smoothie recipes you can make in under 5 minutes. Practical tips. Use tools like Yoast SEO or Rank Math on WordPress to get real-time optimization feedback. Don't stuff keywords, use them naturally. Focus on helpful, well-structured content that solves a problem. Off-page SEO. Next, we've got off-page SEO. This is everything that happens outside your website that impacts your rankings. Think of off-page SEO as your website's reputation. If other trusted sites are linking to you, Google sees that as a sign you're legit. Key elements. Backlinks. When other websites link to yours, it's a signal of trust. Social signals. While not a direct ranking factor, shares and mentions build brand awareness. Guest blogging. Writing for other websites in your niche can earn you backlinks and traffic. Brand mentions. Even unlinked mentions of your brand help. For example, if you wrote an in-depth guide on how to grow tomatoes, and a popular gardening site links to it, that's gold. That backlink tells Google your content is valuable. Practical tips. Reach out to bloggers and websites for collaborations or guest posts. Create shareable content. Think infographics, data studies, or listicles. Use tools like Ahrefs or Ubersuggest to find backlink opportunities. So on-page SEO is what you control. Off-page is how others see you. But there's another side of SEO that's a little more behind the scenes. Technical SEO. Enter technical SEO, the unsung hero that keeps your site running smoothly for search engines. It's not about content, it's about how well your website is built and whether Google can crawl and index it properly. Key factors include site speed. Slow sites don't just annoy users, they hurt rankings. Mobile friendliness. Over half of searches happen on mobile. Secure connections. HTTPS is a must. Clean site structure. Use logical URLs and organize pages in a way that makes sense. XML sitemaps and robots.txt. These help search engines understand what to crawl and what to ignore. For example, imagine having a great blog post, but your site loads in 8 seconds, and it's not mobile friendly. Most users won't wait, and Google notices that. Practical tips. Use Google Search Console to monitor site health. Test your site with PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix. Make sure your site is mobile responsive. Most themes today already are. You don't have to be a developer to handle technical SEO. Many platforms like Shopify, WordPress, or Webflow offer built-in tools to help. Local SEO. Now, if you're running a local business like a cafe, a gym, or a freelance service, local SEO is your best friend. It helps you show up in local searches, like best pizza near me, or freelance designer in Austin. Key components. Google Business Profile, formerly Google My Business, claim and optimize it. Local citations. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number, NAP, are consistent across sites. Customer reviews. Encourage happy clients to leave reviews. Localized content. Write content relevant to your city or region. For example, a personal trainer in Chicago should have a Google Business Profile optimized with photos, services, and a link to their booking page. Adding blog content like Top 5 Gyms in Chicago can also help you rank. Practical tips. Keep your business info consistent across all directories, Yelp, Bing, Facebook. Ask satisfied customers to leave reviews and always respond to them. Use location-specific keywords on your site, like Los Angeles Event Planner or Miami Digital Marketing Agency. Conclusion. Alright, quick recap. On-page SEO helps Google understand your content. Off-page SEO builds your site's authority through backlinks and shares. Technical SEO ensures your site is fast, secure, and easy to crawl. Local SEO gets you discovered in your own neighborhood. SEO might sound like a beast, but when you break it down and tackle it piece by piece, it's totally doable. Start with the basics. Optimize a blog post. Set up Google Search Console. Reach out for a backlink. Small wins add up over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Marketngle for more practical, no-fluff digital marketing tips. And let us know in the comments, which type of SEO are you focusing on first? Thanks for watching.